Hello everyone. Today we have Dr. Neha Garg, rank 23, NEET MDS 2018. Neha, many congrats.
Thank you, sir.
Initial reaction after seeing your result?
Shocked,
Shocked. And apart from that,
happy, mixed
happy.
feelings.
Mixed feeling. And at present,
Very happy.
very happy. Okay. Neha, you were our regular batch student,
Yes, sir.
exclusive DAM student.
Yes.
And कब लगाया था आपने बैच? When did you join DAMS?
November 26th.
November, last year November. And how was the feedback of our classes?
Actually, in our college, we had a mixed feedback.
Okay.
So, but I wanted to join.
Mixed paper like exhaustive classes.
Yeah, yeah. Yes. But I wanted to join dance only
हाँ.
because I wanted to give a perfect shot.
Okay.
एक कितना भी बड़ा क्लास हो,
हाँ.
it's okay.
Okay. This thing is that because we want to try to cover the
Entire
subjects,
syllabus.
entire syllabus. And what was your first reaction when you have seen the paper?
Paper was quite easy.
क्या have we covered the
Yeah,
questions?
everything you had. Classes were appropriate for the
And how many questions you have attempted?
229.
229
Yeah.
out of 240. Neha, were you regular in our classes?
Yeah, I was regular.
Have you attended all the classes?
Uh,
Almost all?
almost.
Almost all. And what was your feedback after once you attended the class कि क्या ये चीज कवर कर रही है सब जो सब्जेक्ट को पूरा?
Yeah, everything was covered very nicely.
हाँ. And favorite teacher?
Gaurav Verma, sir.
Gaurav Verma sir, surgical strikes.
Yeah.
And were you regular in giving test and
Yeah, I was regular in giving tests. I had given almost every test.
आपकी स्ट्रेटजी क्या होती है जब आप कोई टेस्ट देते हो? सपोज आपने क्लास टेस्ट अपने क्लास अटेंड किया, देन यू आर गिविंग अ क्लास टेस्ट. व्हाट इज द स्ट्रेटजी?
Try to avoid maximum negatives and maximum questions, and apart from that, don't do negative.
Don't do negative. And when you see a question, how do you mark the answer?
Like I see everything. Like first read the question, then in the back of my mind I try to solve the question,
Solve the question.
apart from seeing the options.
जो the technique which you say, either there are two techniques, either you can see the question, try to find the answer,
Yeah.
or if you are not able to find the answer, then you can start looking the options and then you
Yes.
can mark the answer.
Yeah.
This is the other two strategies
Two
regarding
strategies.
the MCQ answering, and this is quite effective. This is very effective. What was your rank in CBT?
14.
14th. And when you went to give the CBT exam and when you went to give the NEET exam,
Yeah.
was simulated?
Yeah, I was like, many questions I have seen in CBT exam. So
And the environment, the surroundings, everything, like hall ticket is there,
Yeah,
you
yeah,
have to
yeah.
go there,
everything.
registration and all that. So it was like, had it reduced your anxiety in giving the exam, final exam?
Quite big.
But okay. DVT session,
Yeah, I attended DVT.
3 days complete.
Yes.
A 3-day DVT session, that visuals and all that which we cover, and it was effective. It was
Yeah,
good.
It was good.
And test and discussion.
I
The
had
test which you have given.
given.
And how was there? That had it been helpful?
Yeah, it was quite helpful. Actually, many questions and our doubts were also cleared at the
Facebook
time.
club?
I was active, you can say.
Observing, not
Observing.
participating.
Huh.
It's fine, but that is helpful.
Yeah,
Facebook club.
it's very helpful. Facebook club is very helpful.
If you see the preparation scenario nowadays, that NEET is asking questions from almost every subject,
Every subject.
and we are the only academy which provides an exhaustive, comprehensive classes of all the 19 subjects.
Yes.
And it is not like we are teaching some PowerPoint and all that. We are writing and we are making you write notes. Do you find this quite something which is not being followed in dentistry till now?
Yeah, it's good. I think I will store that notes
Huh.
for future
For
reference
future also. So these are the power of the notes, है ना?
Yeah.
What we say. Or what was going on in your mind in the last 7 days before exam?
Uh,
क्योंकि बहुत सारे मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट्स मिस दैट पार्ट ki what to do in last 7 days, last 14 days, last
Yes.
30 days. We make strategies like 30 days, 15 days, 7 days.
Yes,
So
I did
what had you
that.
made? Have you done that like this?
Yes, yes. I had this that before 7 days before the exam, I will complete my whole syllabus, and then in that 7 days, I will revise notes and do maximum previous years and all that
And
questions.
all that questions. And any message to your juniors?
I think so. The key for success is like you should revise everything, persistence and perseverance.
And how you have handled the stress?
Like
Kyunki even the brilliant students have
Yes,
some bit of stress
yes.
and some bit of which I think is should be there.
Yeah, it was that period itself was so stressful. So like you have friends, talk to them, you have teachers. So everyone was so motivating. Even at times I stopped believing in myself that नहीं होगा यार, नहीं हो रहा, अब खत्म हो रहा है, मतलब कि कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है.
But वहाँ डैम्स था साथ में.
Times you have friends,
You have
talk to
friends, you have
them.
everyone
Yes.
is there around you. So that the whole thing added to the things which is
Yes.
required to clear the exam. So Neha Garg, rank 23. Neha, your which branch you're going to take? Any interest, particular interest?
Let's see what the roster says, then I will.
But still, anything
Prasto.
Prosto. So she is looking forward for Prosto, and we have so many Prostodontists from dams in different parts of India.
Yes.
Hopefully, I just wish and pray you'll get your
Yes.
desired seat. So many congrats to you, to your parents also,
Thank you.
and we are so proud of you.
Thank
है ना? Okay. So she is Neha Garg, rank 23, NEET MDS 2018.